Hey, happy Groundhog Day, everybody. So we've had a great January, great positive sign to the spring market, hopefully. We have 57% more showings and open house visitors on our listings in January compared to last year. And so that's a really, really, really positive sign, I think. And what that shows is that even though interest rates are still close to 7%, that the demand in the market is coming back, at least so far this year. And I think what we owe that to is that last year rates were going up and everybody was freaked out because you don't know when it's going to end. And this year, we have expectation over the next couple of years that rates are going to slowly go down. Now, unfortunately, we got a little bit of news this week that, maybe rates aren't going to come down as fast as we were hoping. Everybody knew that the Fed wasn't going to cut rates in January, but the comments that the Fed makes is usually just as important as what they decide to do. And they really indicated that all of us in the market were more optimistic than we should be, and that likely not going to see rate cuts even in March. So that was one thing that came out. And then just this morning, Friday morning, got a great jobs report. So this is great for the overall economy. It's kind of an interesting thing that it's counterintuitive for mortgage interest rates, and that a super job report, meaning that people are not being laid off, right? Still have great salaries, is inflationary. So the higher inflation goes, then higher interest rates. So all this really means is that a lot of people are now saying that March rate cut by the Fed is probably off the table as well. And so looking at more rate cuts, hopefully later in the year. And those have mostly been built into the mortgage interest rates already. So, this isn't a total catastrophe. What it really means is that there've been a lot of people out there talking about rates are going to just totally drop off, before the end of the year. And that may be a little bit too optimistic for us. Okay. Hey, whenever you're ready to talk about what your plans are, just get in touch with us, and happy to have a no obligation consultation with you. Take care. Make it a great day.